Hey guys, Lindsay with the Scrap Room here. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Canva's free online design program, digital paper designs, and your favorite digital photos to make your own custom picture frame sublimation designs that you can make things with, like wind spinners, coffee mugs, and tote bag designs. I'm making this specific example for an 8-inch wind spinner, but you can apply the same technique by measuring your project and adjusting the digital design accordingly. I've got a lot of wind spinner designs already in my shop, but I wanted to show you how easy this is to do with your favorite digital paper designs. This project is super easy to do. The only reason this video is about 4 minutes long is so that I had time to explain the steps, because it literally takes longer to explain than it does to do. First, start out in a blank new workspace that's 8.5 inches by 11 inches. That's US letter size. Once the page loads, click on the Elements icon in the left menu bar, and then scroll down to where it says Frames, and click on the square frame. That should add it to your workspace, and from there you can click and drag it to the upper left-hand corner of the page, and then click on the dot in the bottom right-hand corner and drag to resize it to be 8 inches. If you hold the Shift key while you do that, it's going to maintain the proportions to make it really easy to make it 8 inches by 8 inches exactly. And once you've done that, click and drag the frame to the center of the page using the pink smart guides that light up. Now go back to the elements and look for the circle frame. They've got a plain circle frame, but if you type in circle in the search bar, it'll pull up all the different great circle frames that they have. And they've got some that have like decorative edges. I like this colorful one that's got just a solid color outline. And you can click on it and go up into the color change options up top and change it to whatever color you want it to be to fit your project. So it's really versatile to work with. Now, once you've done that, resize the circle frame so that it'll fit your specific project. For the 8-inch wind spinner, I want it to be about 1/3 of the size of the wind spinner itself. So I just need to shrink it down a little bit and then use the smart guides to center that frame. And from there, just click on the uploads icon in the left-hand menu bar, and you can upload all your digital paper designs and the photos that you want to use. And once they're in your library, you just click and drag them into the frame. If you plan on making multiple designs, this is a really great time to go up to File and click on Make a Copy. And that way you've created a template that you can use over and over again and just drop and drag your digital backgrounds and photos into the frames. Double-click on your photo in the frame to make adjustments like resizing it or scooting it over in the frame. When you're all done, go up to Share in the upper right-hand corner and click on Download. And from there, you can select your file format, like PDF for print, PNG, or JPEG, and then click Download one more time to save it to your device. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, please give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.